You might see ads on social media or random websites promoting a supplement called Hepato Burn. It claims to be a groundbreaking formula that burns stubborn belly fat by purifying your liver. According to the site, it's made from a special blend of Mediterranean plants and supernutrients, and it's the only product in the world with their so-called liver fat burning complex. Sounds impressive, but let's take a closer look. Right away, the claims on their site are bold. They say scientists have discovered a hidden root cause of belly fat, but there's no proof, no links to research, and no actual studies mentioned. The ingredients listed: resveratrol, Camellia sinensis, genistein, chlorogenic acid, and choline, are fairly common in other supplements. While some may offer minor health benefits, there's nothing that clearly supports the powerful fat-burning results they claim. Even more concerning is the lack of transparency. The website doesn't share any company name, address, or contact information. There are no reviews, none on the site itself, and none on Trustpilot or other independent platforms. That's a huge red flag. Also, this product is being sold on several other questionable websites, which raises even more doubts about its legitimacy. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the usual fine print. This product is not evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Yet the way they market it suggests otherwise. They use urgency tactics like, "This deal won't last long," to pressure buyers, and despite potentially affecting hormones or liver function, there's no mention of possible side effects or who shouldn't use it. All in all, Hepato Burn sets off a lot of red flags. With no scientific proof, no real reviews, and no traceable company behind it, this product feels more like a clever marketing trick than a reliable supplement. Be cautious and always do your research before buying products like this.